Hey art friends, today we are going to draw fruit snacks.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
I'm glad we have the packages with us because we can look at it and then draw it. So we're going to draw the shape of our package, and I'm going to put it right there, and then we have room for drawing. And I'm going to draw the side of the package over here, and I'm going to draw it curving too. You could also draw it with the little wrinkles too. It comes in and out like that, but we're going to keep it nice and simple. And then let's also draw the other side of our package coming down this way. Look, got a little bumpy. That's okay, we're practicing, right?
Yes.
The most important thing is?
To have fun and to practice.
Yeah, have fun and practice. Now let's draw the zigzag on the top and the bottom. Let's first do the bottom. I'm gonna draw the zigzag coming across over and connecting to the other side. And then on the top, I'm going to extend the top a little higher. That's because we're going to draw it open like this. So we can draw the zigzag coming across, and then I'm going to draw a curve to connect to the other side. You could also draw this little piece too. Let's leave it off though. Now we need to add a funny face to our package. I'm going to draw a big mouth. I'm going to draw the top, and then I'm going to draw it coming down and, well, the bottom of the mouth. This is the face that I make when somebody has a pack of fruit snacks. It opens up this big. There's our teeth, and we could also draw the bottom teeth.
I think I'm buying them for the kids, but I think I buy them for me.
No, you buy them for me. Then I'm going to stick my tongue out too, like this. And we can also draw another line on the top and the bottom of the tongue, and then this is for the back of the mouth. We could color these shapes in. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and the same size circle on the right. Then I always like adding our little cartoon highlights. This makes the eyes look shiny. So we've got a smaller circle on the top left. Then we'll color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Now let's also draw the design on our label or on the package. I'm going to draw a curve, or S-curve, over the top. And then we could draw an S-curve down here on the bottom too. And this is the Welch's package, but you could draw your favorite package if you want, if you have a different brand. I'm going to also add fruit shapes over here. So I'm going to draw, it looks like blueberries and oranges, and this looks like a peach. And I'm going to draw, oh, they got grapes too. And I'm not sure what that is. Raspberry, oh, strawberry. I'm going to draw little shapes. Maybe this is an orange slice right here. That looks awesome. Now we need the actual fruit snacks. What shapes do we have in here? We have, these look like red grapes and strawberry. And what's that, a purple grape?
Grapes.
What's this one?
Strawberry.
Another strawberry. And what are these orange ones? That looks like an acorn.
I think it's a peach.
A peach. And then, oh, there's an orange slice. We got 2 orange slices. Let's add some of these shapes on our drawing. I'm going to draw a orange slice first. I'm going to draw it right here. So I'm going to draw letter U. And then we can draw the top. And also, let's draw a grape. I'm going to draw a bunch of bumps connected like this. It kind of looks like you're drawing a cloud. And we don't have any blueberries, but I'm going to add a circle for a big giant blueberry. And also, let's draw maybe an upside down raindrop shape for a strawberry. We could also draw a little bump on the top. There's a little bump right there. I'm going to eat one.
I want one too.
Oh, we still need to do what to our drawings?
Color it.
We need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring, or
You can color it any way you want.
yeah, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
And also, I'm gonna eat more.
Me too.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our fruit snacks, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did, and I especially love that we added more fruit snacks.
Yeah, you could add even more than what we did. You could fill your whole page.
Yeah, and I also like the highlights that you added, but I left them off on mine.
Yeah, that keeps the lesson a little easier. I just used a white colored pencil on top of the marker. That makes them look a little shinier and more 3D.
You could also add yourself eating the fruit snacks.
Oh yeah, that would complete the drawing. You could add yourself down here in the corner with your mouth open.
We hope you had fun drawing fruit snacks.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Parents, did you know we have a membership at artforkidshub.tv? It's ad-free, distraction-free, and includes exclusive lessons, printables, and even offline viewing through our app. It's a fun and safe way to keep creating together as a family. Visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more and sign up today.